Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you an unboxing and first look of a long awaited knife for me personally. This is the CRKT Pilar. The model number is 5311 and BKD2 stands for the specific variant which is here in this box. Maybe you did see my say a quick unboxing when the knife arrived, but this video will more focus on the specifications, and I will like talk a little bit about the project that I'm embarking on. So okay, let's say firstly I had and have the original for a long time. It is probably one of my favorite small designs that is currently on the market. Obviously this is a really well-known knife by now. I know how many years ago this was released, maybe 3, maybe 4 years ago. So definitely the Pilar has a few iterations right now available. There is number 3 currently available, and I have that one ordered and waiting patiently for a couple of weeks to be shipped out. For some reason it is not shipped out because they're waiting on it. I don't know what happened. It was available when I bought it, but that is not that I would like to bore you with. But let's say as soon as the knife will arrive, I will be making an unboxing and first look of the number 3 like I have on previous models. But let's open the box. So this is the Model 1 exclusive. This is what is inside the box. Okay, probably a mixed opportunity. They could use the information about all the different variants that this knife has, because for some reason CRKT does this, that they collaborate with a few retailers and they release well, let's say an exclusive variant which is not available for anybody else in the world. And that is a little bit sad in my opinion, because maybe you know, maybe you don't, I am from Slovakia, so here in Europe we have a couple of good retailers who do offer knives. They are worldwide available, but it is a little bit problematic to get some knives from US, maybe because some of these exclusives are with retailers who do not ship overseas. So I got this one with help of my friend that I did order it, ship it to him, and he was so generous to ship it out then to me. So it took a little bit of time, but finally, because of all the situation in the world, after over, I don't know, 2 months, it took 2 months to arrive to me, but finally I have it in my collection. So this I'm rambling on for too long, so let's continue. So we have finally a Micarta scale variant available for all of you who like a Micarta variant. This one is a Blade HQ exclusive, so you have two options. Either you search for a third-party Micarta scale, like something like this here, with different materials, different micartas, and these are also available on Blade HQ. Or you can ask your friend who has some skills and can order a slab of micarta and make a scale, or you can go search on eBay, on those sorts of sites, and if you are lucky, because they are not abundantly available, then you can make yourself your own by buying your standard plain stainless steel one and converting it to this one. But the BKD2 stands for black smoke wash, So they have available it in two variants, which is obviously the standard satin one and this black smoke wash, and they upgraded for this exclusive the blade steel to D2. So not your HCR, what this one, something like HCR 13 MOV. So you get definitely better steel, overall lightweight knife, and nice smoke or acid stonewash, which is one of the best finishes for EDC in my opinion. Let me give you the quick specifications. So they are almost the same. We have all length of 15 centimeters or 6 inches. The blade length is 6 centimeters or 2.3 inches. The blade width is 2.9 centimeters or 1.14 inches. The blade thickness is 4 millimeters or 0.15 inches. The handle length is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The thickness is 1.1 centimeter or 0.43 inches. We have a brown canvas micarta. I'm not sure, but last time I checked on the website, they quoted it as linen micarta, so this is definitely not linen micarta. This is something like the Chinese canvas micarta, like on this Kaiser pinch, what I mostly use in my videos for reference. They could probably go something a little bit more higher end, but they choose this one probably to represent a nice rich dark brown color, because if they would go with something like CVV is using, then it will be probably end with like this, or something like this from QSP. These are also micartas, but definitely look a little bit more like G10. But overall, I'm really happy with the finish. They are true. They chosen for this variant. We have centering is a little bit off. You can definitely tinker with the pivot to adjust if you like. The pivot assembly on this one, you have just your copper washers and nothing special there. Pocket clip is you have two positions, tip out, tip down. Not reversible, sadly. They will include also a nice lanyard hole like the original had, of course. The opening is really smooth with this thumb hole. On the blade you have Pilar, Voxnaes design, and model number. On the other side you have the CRKT logo. So I must thank obviously Jesper, Voxnaes, and people at CRKT that they produced this one, and I must say it's a really nice addition to the collection. So if the original one was too heavy for you, let's talk about weight. So the weight of the new one is 84.5 grams, which is 3 ounces. Compared with the original one, which is 116 grams or 4.1 ounce, definitely a lightweight version in my opinion. Okay, so let me give you a few size comparisons, and let's take out a few other so Chinese made knives. So here is the CVV Elementum, here is the QSP Penguin, Kaiser Pinch, Kaiser Backlighter 2, Buck Sprint Pro, Cubieris, Rustic Gent, also from CVV, Let's continue with some small knives. So this is the Red Model 2. Kershaw Shuffle 2. This one would look really great in Micarta, in my opinion. And overall, I would say this is a really an underrated, small, capable knife that Kershaw has produced. Also a complete series of models they offer. So this is the Benchmade Griptilian 2. Griptilian, small Griptilian. They have no numbering. This is the Buck Vintage Select Small. I don't know. It's the 940 from Benchmade. And there is a small version of this one available finally. If you like design but want it a little bit smaller. The Kershaw Leak, Kershaw Blur, Buck Texas Toothpick, a Stockman from Rough Rider, Peanut from Rough Rider, and I don't know, let's take out the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, since I showed you the different Micarta scales that I did order, I decided to make a collection of different Micarta scaled Pilars. So I got this one is the green linen Micarta. This is the natural canvas Micarta. So this is a higher quality, let's say brown variant of this one here. So to compare it, and keep in mind this is fresh sealed, so if it will be used, it will darken up significantly. Something that they probably did in the factory to give it this worn acid washed look compared with the blade. Here is a bone linen Micarta, also really nice and smooth. So you can see the linen type Micarta are really have a fine weaved material, and this is a red or burgundy canvas. So stay tuned for that video when I will unveil my complete collection of Pilars. Okay, with that being said, we are at the end of the video. I forgot to mention the pricing, sorry about that, and also I forgot to show you the sharpness. So out of the box, the D2 is really nice and sharp. My old trusty jean pocket had also not been shown, so this is how it will be printing or showing in your pocket. So definitely a nice piece is sticking out, but this is what it is. You can always put it in your fifth jean pocket if you like. Okay, so now we are at the end of the video, and with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. As always, if you're a subscriber, big thumbs up to you. If you're not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and guaranteed. And now I remembered I forgot the pricing. Sorry about that. So all informations will be also down below, like I always do. But the pricing is for the Stonewash. For the Stonewash blade is $44.95, and the smoke wash blade is $49.95, so $50 for this one. The MSRP is around $64.95. Okay, if you have any questions, leave comments down below. And that being said, I wish you for your time. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.